Congratulations, UST Golden Tigers for winning over the League Warriors in straight sets. The Golden Tigers now are tied with NU Lady Bulldogs at 11-2. We have Coach Luke Reyes, Eden Trevito, Angke Poyos, Red Geraldo, and Casper Gata. Coach Luke, congratulations for this victory. The second set was a dominant one, 25-9, and naipakita yung character ng third set and nakahabol kayo from an early deficit. What are your thoughts?
Well, pag malinis yung galaw ng mga bata, mas madali yung manalo namin ng puso. So pag inulit-ulit lang namin, so ulit lang din na hanggang sa lumamang kami o makahabol kami. So yun ang tinitingnan namin na na aspect during game. So yun ang kailangan nilang panghawakan na linisin lang yung galaw.
Thank you, Coach. In that net, we have 13 digs and 11 extra receptions. So, as a leader of this team, ano masasabi mo na malapit tayo sa finish line at nasa itaas pa rin kayo ng standings? Ano yung masasabi?
This game napakita talaga na ang dami pa talaga namin kulang. And ayun nga, sinabi ko sa kanila nung start, na gagawin namin and sana matama namin yung mga maling nagawa or maling na-commit namin na error nung last game. So, ayun, nakapag-perform din ng maayos and yung third set, yun, nakahabol namin.
I think that to Angke, welcome back. We have 21 of 47 taps, 3 service aces, 1 block, and 4 exceptions. So, ano pakiramdam mo ulit na nakabalik ka sa playing court and yun nga, convincing straight sets wins against you? Ano man sabi mo?
Masaya ako sa nakabalik ako 100% and bounce back win for us ulit. Kasi nga, madami kaming dalaw sa MU na hindi tama. So, ayun, binalikan ulit namin and training ulit kami and then ready ulit kami ngayon and thankful kasi tama namin yung pagkakas.
Ikaw, get to Reg, you have 9 of 19 attacks, 2 service aces, and 7 digs. So, what can you say about your team's performance today? Especially na malapit tayo sa dulo ng eliminations.
Napakita talaga namin sa game na to na isa to sa mga best performances namin na kahit lumamang yung kalaban, nakakahabol pa din kami and nakakamit kami ng less errors. So, proud din na nakakita din namin na palag naman para talaga.
Thank you, Lucas. You have 2 attacks, 1 service ace, and 17 extra receptions. So, what can you say about your team's performance today, especially now that we're now almost at the finish line?
Happy lang din po ako sa ating report ng team today. Although meron pa yung mga lapses na kailangan pa namin i-work on sa training. Hopefully maayos namin yan before game namin next week kalaban sa